La 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 la. Cha la 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 la. Cha la la. Okay, Connor, get in the boat. Get in the boat.
Alright, are you singing the Trolala song?
Which way am I going? I think.
I'm not on the radar.
I think it's like the same way every time. It's like this one.
It's really not showing much on the radar, I'll be honest with you.
Hey, Byron.
Yeah, I can tell. I'm looking at Connor's screen. I can tell I'm going the right way. Yes.
This is a
Are you singing the Trolala song?
Group stage.
Yeah. So we got Verity. We got Oliver Tree. We got Levity.
We got Oliver Tree. We got
I should have been Cruelty.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for everybody.
Oliver Tree and the
The
Verities.
Verity Gang and Oliver Tree.
What do I look like?
It's like the
You-
three angels. Oliver Tree was visited by three Verities that night. So there's not a lot going on the radar.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be heading in the direction of a fucking dot. There's not gonna be much going on the radar.
You're the oddest person I know.
conscious mind chose to understand.
You are the oddest man I know.
You're an honest man, Arthur.
Connor, am I going in the right way?
So the radar looks about as empty as look at the whole.
Oh my god, do you not? Okay. Give me the radar.
Okay, sure.
Drop
Bro,
it.
it's literally beeping. I can hear it beeping.
Hey, it's me. It's Ben.
Noah's gone.
What happened to Noah?
He's gone.
Yo, I'm drowning. Yo, why did you guys do that?
I don't know, you just like fell out of the boat. Okay.
You got like stuck under the boat.
Wait, I spawned at the next island. Yo, save my stuff.
Wait, he just had a knife.
It's not a bird.
Wait,
Fire.
Fire's leaving another man
died in the middle of
behind.
the ocean and it spawned me on the next island. Why do you? No, they kicked me out.
You didn't, and you just fucking fell out of the boat.
He didn't.
And he's spying our stuff! He's taking our money.
Oh, hey, you finally made
You better
it.
hang out with the run him down.
You want to run me down? I got a Glock.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Where's my knife?
Oh, you still want?
Come on, man.
Bitch, you don't deserve a knife.
Yo, what's that supposed to mean?
You hear me,
Alright,
biatch.
guys. Bye. Bye.
I'll buy better fish.
What?
I'm buying a better fish.
I found that freaking guy. He's like, is it a waffle? Oh, that guy on Instagram.
Who?
Little BC.
Oh my god, shit. What is it? Wait, eat peaches? Yeah. Nothing bad will happen. Don't worry.
Can I buy a knife? Yeah. Am I allowed?
No. It's our money.
Alright, fine.
Connor,
Keep beating things to death.
there's no point to buying a knife because you can get a Glock for $5 more and it's way better.
Yeah, but then I need ammo.
No, you don't.
17 shots in my rock.
Okay.
You get
Can I buy
infinite
a
ammo.
Glock then? I buy the pistol.
Yeah.
Okay. Drip car.
Come on, come on, come on, come on! Okay. I got the duty gun. I got the wooden dildo.
Nice.
We Fred?
No. Let's just say I'm gonna need that shotgun first.
This is mine.
Hello, mister. Disgusting. Fuck you. Are we killing him now?
No.
Why is he on every island?
Is it Verity? Oh,
it's a
Byron. Is it Verity?
Is it Verity?
Kill steal.
You got one correct.
No!
Is it Verity? No, it's just one Verity.
What do we eat on this island?
Bye, I found
Leeches.
that guy on
Where
Instagram.
do
I
we
found it.
start
I
eating
just
our
found
dead
him.
Move out of the way, Noah. He's killing you. Bro, okay, what is this? Who is playing Fetty Wap?
It's Byron. I mean, it's Blake. Shocker. What's being annoying?
It is.
Wait,
Bro.
what's being annoying? No way.
Nah. Or can't handle a little bit of Fetty Wap in the evening.
Shut up, Blake.
Bro, it died into his mouth.
Shinling, where do all my
It knew
fish
we're
go?
going. Oh, I didn't use my hot dog earlier. I pressed B because I thought that would equip the
No, it's automatically equipped.
Shooting me.
Yes, you got one right. Is it Verity? No!
I should probably
Yo,
mute
Byron,
this. This
shoot
is
Byron, shoot this.
what? I'm not even over here.
Yeah, you're looking at Caleb. Oh, it's a lobster.
Bro, stop shooting me!
Well, my health and you are dying.
Where'd the fish go? It was down here.
It's gone, Connor. Yeah, the
He
lot.
took three. He took three
Yo!
shots.
Ooh, free stuff.
Don't worry, I'll revive you.
I sold your knife, by the way, Caleb.
You gonna throw me into his...
You can sell the knife. I thought
Yo,
you did
what
like
the
that.
heck is...
Oh, oh, there he goes.
Yo, save me.
Dude, what is this targeting, bro?
No, you just walked up and started punching me.
I
What-
did it. I got the.
Where'd
crabs.
his body
Hot
go?
dogs like attract like crabs and lobsters.
I guess so.
Sorry, misclick,
What is
misfire,
your problem?
misfire. I turned on my auto clicker. Auto clicker turned on. Stop!
Whoa! Oh man!
Why is there like a crab? There's a crab under the boat.
What happened to my gun?
You
No!
have to pull up, pull back.
I was just fishing and I was getting shot. Like, what? What's
I think
happening?
it's still
There's a radar.
Oh no, he's alive. Off into the sea you go.
Yo,
bud.
Byron.
Yeah.
We could probably just farm and get shotguns and then summon the boss right away because we get all the piranhas from the boss.
That's true.
Is it Verity?
Wow, headshot.
Vardy! No! It's just one Vardy.
Where'd
Is
it
it
go?
lovity?
Fuck!
Should I send that ASMR video?
I just was gonna say, fuck!
God fucking damn it. I need some leeches.
Guys, we should watch SMR.
Our leeches the new food.
Jeffy.
Yes.
Yo, we can get the Jeffy backpack.
Who's the
Dude,
fine
stop
about-
shooting me!
Yo, I'm literally in the middle of a fish.
I don't see Byron.
Wait, there's birds?
Yeah, you can kill them.
Can you summon this guy?
Yo, Caleb, can you stop shooting people, bro? You literally just
That's
shot
fine.
me.
Funny, that's funny. 'Cause
Can
I'm
you-
not doing anything.
Can you not shoot people?
That's clever.
How
No!
far can you swim out before you drown? I don't wanna get sick.
Help!
I gotta
Come
see
to me,
you.
Byron.
I'm not trying to kill anyone, bro.
Caleb literally just tried to kill me. I'm at 1 health, bro.
$6! That was awesome. I did was shoot a
Yo,
bird.
he just killed me, bro. Caleb.
Oh my god.
Can somebody revive me? Can somebody revive me?
Where are you?
I'm by the
Come
boat.
on, Care
I'm
Verity.
floating by the
Oh
boat.
god. Oh, I see your bot. I see your
Oh.
bot's corpse right
No.
now. What? You can do that? The birds can do that? That's awesome.
Yes.
You got him?
Where's my stuff?
Bro, kill yourself.
I'll give you a hint. Somebody has it all.
It's him. He has it.
Where is he?
Found a sequel.
Not me, you idiot. You're gonna believe Caleb over me?
Oh wait, I have it. Chill, chill, chill. Okay, I'm taking the boat. Fuck you guys.
I killed it.
Wait.
Wait, I wanna go.
No.
Yo.
I-
Wait, why
Drive.
can't I go?
Yo, Connor, should I get a
Oh!
bro?
Yo!
Connor.
Fucking drive!
Kill yourself. What happened to my gun?
Okay, we'll dump his body out here.
Yo, what is your problem?
Harbor Butcher.
This guy's walking around with a gun shooting at him. We kill him. He's like,
Shot me.
He's stuck in the boat.
that's a big part of it. We need to get a new boat.
Oh my god.
Oh, there he goes.
Extra measure, you know. Wait, he had something on his body. Should we go get it?
It's tainted.
Is it parody?
Are we gonna run him down?
Where are you going, Byron? Let's
I'm
just
going-
find the next area.
I'm going back to the island.
No. Let's just find the next island. Let's just forget this island.
It literally just said we can't progress.
I don't believe you.
Oh, he has a gun now, guys. Watch out.
I'm trying to fish.
So am I, bro. And then you shot me down. You gunned me down.
But you're shooting me first.
Hey, Noah, can you shoot
I'm
this
literally
fish for
fishing
me?
and I'm getting
I'm
shot.
hungry. I need to eat it.
I can do it.
No, it's
Byron.
Ow! Ow! You fucking hit it. Oh my god. Can I sell it? Can I sell
Why
it?
are you shooting me?
Why?
I
You
wanna
always
sell
come to
that.
the
Why am
fucking
I
game.
shooting you? I'm trying
Bro,
to
what are you,
fish.
dude? We have the same money pool.
Yeah, do you want a gun?
Plus, I'd get more money from it because I got the kill.
Byron.
Dude, what the fuck are we doing?
We're fishing.
As a nation. I
Byron,
can't.
is it
I spent
parody?
my entire paycheck on RimWorld plushies.
They make-
Trip car.
RimWorld
And
plushies.
wait. Look at, wait.
No.
Wait, Byron, look at the trip
Bro,
car.
I can get a warg,
Bruh.
and I can get a boom rat, a
I don't even want to- I don't wanna get rid of
muffin,
it.
a centipede, and a hive queen, as well as the throne.
I already have that one. Fuck.
I'm filling it up
What do I get?
Byron.
because I don't want to have to go into the hallway every 5 seconds.
Oh, I got a
It says water.
shotgun skin, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna assume that's a shotgun.
I'm gonna fill it up.
Why are there? Oh, you guys are out there.
Byron.
Low?
Why am I dead?
You probably died from hunger.
Byron. Is it levity?
It's so hard.
No!
Maybe I should get a
Doing okay over here.
You might be
Yeah, it's fine. I was just drinking water.
Yo! That bird just fucking.
Believe me.
Let me go get it. Wait, if I sell it, I get a bunch of money. I gotta get 2 times multiplier.
Can I have my fishing rod? Where'd it go?
It's still in the water.
Alright, let me just get it.
Fucking. Yeah, could I sell it though? Cause I have like a 2 point. I have like a double multiplier on selling it, so we get more money.
Can
Fuck
please
you.
stop shooting me?
You know what?
Actually, I'm gonna eat it to spite you, Connor.
Jane and a warg plush.
Jeez, man.
Shut up, Blake.
It's all our money. I don't really care either way. I'm just saying if we want the most money,
So Byron,
Yeah.
vote on the land.
go back to the starter town. Let's go back to the starter town.
I'm freeing you guys.
Why?
Connor, get in.
Okay. Well,
Wait, Byron, wait for
all
Connor.
hard.
Why am I waiting for Connor?
I can stay here with the psycho if you need.
Wait, so why are we
Should I
going
go
back to
now,
the
though?
starter
He's
town?
coming. He's coming back.
Oh shit, he's coming. Okay, well he'll just he's just gonna drown out there.
Hey Caleb, how's it going?
Oh,
Which way is it again?
I don't know what you expected, man.
Warning, you can't
Oh,
progress.
we can't progress if we leave our friends. That's
dude,
what.
why are you shooting me?
Yeah.
I'm
Okay,
shooting
everybody in the
fucking
boat.
fish.
Everybody in the boat. Stop arguing.
Not like I'm doing anything. You guys just keep shooting me.
Bro, I'm shooting a fish, bro. What do you want?
Get in, everybody in. Stop fighting.
Stay out of my fish's
Okay,
Why
range.
is there a pistol
go
on the ground?
this way. Go straight.
Why do I have 2 pistols?
Why are we going back to the start of town?
Because we're gonna try something.
Wait, can I make the boat go faster by shooting it from inside?
Byron,
No.
is it Barony?
No! It's falsity!
Oh, is it cruelty?
No!
Oh, it's falsity.
No! It's burger emoji!
You do a good impression of him.
Incredible.
Let me say that right
I
now.
spilled
You
the
do a good
seagull.
impression of him.
Thank you.
Is it bagger emoji? No!
You got one correct! Is it
You guys
burger
can
emoji,
shut up.
burger emoji, burger emoji, burger emoji?
Burger,
No! You only got one
gonna
burger
die.
emoji
What's
correct!
I'm
What?
gonna die.
Are you? Do you need
I'm
like
gonna
food?
die. Yes, I need food.
Yo,
Yeah,
can we get back to
Somebody
go
fish.
Go fishing.
What'd you say killed?
I was gonna ask if we can do like
I got something, I got something.
an island.
Blast him, blast him. There you go. That's your food.
Oh, yummy.
Do you guys see the photo of Caleb I posted?
That's awesome.
When you guys were not, this when you guys were trying to find the next island and Caleb drowned. Caleb, you're not catching whatever's on the end of that line, bud.
I need.
Well,
food,
that
guys.
happened to
Wait,
Caleb.
Hey, see, wait, it's over there. That way.
I see it.
That lighthouse. Is that the lighthouse we were at before, or
Yeah.
is that different? Why are we coming back over here?
Yeah, why are we back here?
The
'Cause I
game
wanna
said
try
so.
Something.
The writing on the wall told me to go back.
Not the writing on the wall. We're here to kill the old man.
Is someone
Okay,
missing
turn
a-
around.
Okay.
Is someone missing a?
So
gun?
here's what it says.
Noah.
Use the sun in the sky as your guide. It will be to your left and in front of you.
What?
The game also freezes when you get close to the volcano. I'm gonna drive.
Alright.
Bye, guys.
I gotta turn it. So the so it has to be like
That way.
it says it will be to your left and in front of you. So like this direction.
Elaine. Oh, wait, I hit it. Oh, dead seagull.
That's great.
Will that hit you?
I have certainly not caught these fish before. It's showing fish that I don't think any of us have caught on this file before. I haven't seen a sea urchin yet. Or...
It might be
That's
because
probably
Byron
because of
and I
me
have
and Noah.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never seen a sea
Spider
horse.
crab.
Looks epic though. So are we gonna have to fight a bird seagull boss?
Possibly.
Shoot in the
That'll
sky.
be
It's
more,
possible.
We also have to fight a whale.
Yeah, you're not catching whatever's on that.
Watch me, baby.
I know from experience.
Hey, I got a drippy fish. Hold up, someone shoot it for me. Alright, I got a drip mackerel. Joke's on you.
Drip.
I'll kill you and
Nice.
take it.
You got 2 other people who are more willing to shoot you than me, man.
I have 2 guns.
Oh shit! Guys, please, guys. Oh! Just leave him there. Just leave him there.
Yeah.
Is my fish
no.
gone? Did I lose my
Oh,
fish?
shit.
I see something to the right. Was that?
I don't see any
Is that the-
fish.
is
That's
that
a
the
new
place?
island. You know what? That's good enough.
Can we
New
Byron,
island.
can you res me at least?
Yo, can you res me, please? I'm just a swimmer.
Oh my god, man.
He took away all the guns.
Now I'm in the house. And more important, now I don't have a drip fish. Now I'm upset.
Sucks for you.
Yeah, well, you had to fucking drop me for no reason. I don't really get that.
This guy wants a
Oh
fucking
my
shark
God.
too.
I feel. Roulette. I have nothing.
Yo, this game's awesome. We have money. We have some
We have a
money.
sniper rifle.
Oh wait, there's
a
an actual fishing rod here. Should I grab this?
Yeah, probably. There's a new weapon here, the sniper rifle.
Yes. Oh my god.
Where?
And an Uzi, but it's in over here in the little shack. Like, yeah, Byron over here. It's in that little.
Yeah, I need a weapon.
$3,000, bro.
Yeah, it's a
That's
lot. But...
3,000
No, but the
did.
fish here are probably gonna be so good.
3,000 Diddy dollars.
Professional.
Nah.
We have a lot of lures. Catches beginner fish. Not fun.
Well, we have $0 right now. So.
Oh, what? Who spent all our money?
I bought a lure.
Bro, we don't need lore.
Is that a pufferfish? Why am I not catching anything?
This thing's gonna sell for like 300 bucks.
Where do I sell? Probably this guy in here. Or sorry, this man.
Bro, you missed. You both missed.
Oh,
Watch how much this sells for. Boom.
Yo, what are we supposed to eat here? Are we supposed to eat clams?
I found a clam on the ground.
Yeah.
It's probably just like clams again.
Wow, I want
We're already back to
oysters.
89. Oh, and
Okay, somebody just spent $50 fucking dollars.
Bro. Yo,
Don't
what
worry,
the
guys.
fuck
I
is
made
this?
us $7.
what is this a pike?
Is that a drip?
Yeah, it's
Drip,
my
drip,
drip
step
fish,
forward.
but it's
Where's the drip machine?
I thought wasn't it in the? Dude, what the fuck is this guy's deal?
Dude, he
I
actually
get a
just tanks like
drawer?
50 fucking
He
shots.
just jumped away.
What is... So B is your bait, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
Yeah.
should I change it out?
yeah, probably. I mean, if you have bait.
Wait, oh,
I have the basic one right now, so... Well, the basic one for the fishing rod, not the crab.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
I need food.
Drip
This thing
surrogate?
sells for
What?
yeah, see what I mean? Boom,
Drip
$417.
Sengarot.
Catching me something cool to cook? I can do that. Should we get a motor for the boat? A big motor?
Nah.
We don't really
What's the
need
boss
that.
here, you guys think?
Fuck if
I'm gonna spawn a beginner boss.
Okay.
Like right
I
now?
want to catch professional
Yes.
fish. Alright, everyone get ready.
Who-
I just-
Oh, it's a sunfish. Never mind, this is free.
That's a boss? Like it's doing
It's a
nothing.
beginner boss.
Yeah.
It's fucking dumb, bro.
Jesus fucking Christ! This guy's
It's like a massacre, bro.
My name is the Bullet Sponge.
No,
So
it's
wait, can we just
sunfish.
farm that?
Dude, no, the normal if you get a professional rod and you just kill the fish with the professional not the professional rod. If you get professional bait and you just kill the fish from that rod, you're literally gonna I got $400 from one fish.
From just the fishing rod?
Yeah, I'm this fish that I just killed is 308 from just the $3 fishing rod and a
Jesus
professional
Christ.
bait.
I should fucking help this thing out, bro. I should like, what the fuck? Well, we'll never know. How much
So
is the
Byron, I
shotgun?
think I have the method for killing fish on this level. Come over here, Byron. Watch this. Ready?
Where are you?
You just put the fish inside the gun store.
Oh.
This one's feisty.
This one's feisty. Where'd it go? Oh my god, red snapper.
Yeah, 481.
So wait, what am I supposed to buy for this? The professional lure?
I just got
Yeah, for
406 off
50.
the red snapper.
Exactly.
Can I buy a shotgun? How much are they?
150.
Could I get one?
It's so worth it.
Oh.
Yeah, I would like.
Bro, that's like a third of one fish, bro. I think it's okay if you buy one. Oh,
shit.
that's a new boss.
Who's?
I think Caleb
really
is.
Oh shit.
When you do blow.
My game is going.
When you do blow.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
My gameplay froze. My game's like tuna.
Oh my god.
This is really funny when you. It's really funny because I couldn't see anything that was happening.
Caleb!
How do I revive him? How do I revive him?
Revive me!
How do I revive him?
How? Guys, you got. Bro.
I don't know how to
My
revive
game,
him.
my game
Caleb,
froze.
why did you
to be
spawn a
fair.
boss?
Oh wait. I didn't mean to, I had the professional lure. Wait, he can't hit us in here.
I don't have a gun! Okay, I'm gonna go get my gun.
What? That's crazy.
you're not.
That's crazy.
Just
damn.
wait for the timer to run out.
No, we wouldn't
Yeah.
kill it.
Ow!
Dude, we're not.
Dude, that thing one-shots me. There's so much
Yeah, that
freaking
was crazy.
damage, bro.
You know he's
Oh,
after
wait,
you.
it's like full health. I didn't even realize. No.
How do I respawn? Oh, I can't. I'm dead on the
Oh,
roof
you're in the wall.
of the little gun shack.
Everybody say.
No,
thank
if you
you,
jump up and
Caleb.
press E enough,
Thank you, Caleb!
You told me to use.
Thank you, Caleb!
It's okay, watch how much money I'm about to make.
Oh wait, you're rolling roulette? That's not green.
green! It's okay, the timer's past half. We just gotta survive till the timer ends.
He's outside.
Yeah, where else would he be? Inside?
Yes. Oh, that's smart.
If you guys look out to the right of the building, you can see a seagull carrying my limp corpse around.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh, no, he's above. Wait, if you look outside the front of the building, you might see. You might see me.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Noah, look up, see? Oh, that's
No!
love it.
Get up, get up!
Thanks, Gil.
Help me!
It's almost gone, guys.
He's just like he wants to play some fucking.
Help
roulette.
me! Why are you fishing?
What the fuck is fishing right now?
Corpse.
Nah, nobody's fishing right now. Yo, whose corpse is this?
Wait, Byron, shoot me, get me out of the sky. Man, I'm the only one on the seagull. This sucks.
Connor, where are you?
Dude, turn around, Noah. I'm like, well, wait for it to come back. You shoot it out there, you're never gonna get my fucking body. Buddy.
Are seagulls worth getting for
They're
food?
like $4. Oh, for food? I never thought about that.
Well,
They're like.
Oh, I'm alive.
Where's my shotgun?
Yeah, where's my shit?
Here, look at all the white dots in the water. That's.
some of them are seagulls. Okay, so I have a professional lure on.
No,
Is that
the
gonna
seagulls
hurt me?
hold stuff.
Tigerfish. Yeah,
I
careful there,
didn't mean to
Tiger.
spawn another boss. It's not my fault.
Bro, the professional lure has not spawned a single boss.
Yeah,
What's
well,
that
it
white-
did.
Should I go see
to
what
us
that white
now.
dot is out in the water?
That's just a random item, so yeah, probably. Guys?
No, it's a seagull.
Guys, guys, guys.
What?
What?
Uh-oh. He won.
I'm dead, bro. The red
Yo, yo,
snapper
yo, yo, yo.
fucking cooked me. Hey, can someone revive me? I'm by the gun shack.
Nah.
What is that thing?
Oh my god.
Oh my
Wait,
god! Dude, I'm getting cooked
Yo,
by the red
Byron.
snapper, watch out.
Me
Oh,
too.
hold on.
Watch
Hold
this.
on, dude.
I need food, by the way.
Oh!
Where'd it go?
Yo, Connor, Byron, should I sell this tiger fish?
Yes.
Oh
What?
my god.
Yo, I'm by myself.
I'm buying myself a sniper, max level sniper.
Oh my god.
All our.
You need
Oh,
all of my money?
oh
I
my
buy
Make sure we
god.
share.
Fuck you, I'm buying a
Bro.
shotgun.
Yeah, buy a shotgun.
Yo,
wanna
does
win.
somebody?
Where's all the food at? I need
Yeah, is there food somewhere? I'm fucking
Yo, I
hungry.
need to damage test this thing.
You
Bro!
No.
Oh shit!
Wait, this sniper just died.
280! And he's gone.
Nah.
I got you, Caleb.
Banana.
Okay, does anybody have some food?
I need food.
I
Don't
need
make them food right now.
food. Feed me. I need food.
Stop. I'm watch.
Play a Roblox game. or
Green.
something like that?
That shit's not landing
no,
on
I'm dead
green.
again. How did I
How about
die?
the resource incremental
I don't know.
grind?
That's really.
Oh my
funny.
god.
Can you stop sniping me,
Broda.
That wasn't me.
Bro, I'm
Noah,
just
how could
dead.
you do that? Then?
Yo, we're out of
Backwards.
money. I can't buy
Doesn't even
lures
be.
anymore.
I can't buy food. I need food.
Mailbox system? What?
What?
I'm looking at fucking Entrenched,
looking at
and it
what?
says they added a faction system, a mailbox system, titles.
Byron,
I don't know what the
let me
fuck
kill
that
it.
means.
Where'd it go?
That's pretty interesting.
Where is it?
Right there.
It's killing me.
This tiny ass
that?
ball just killed me.
I think I killed my some tiny ass balls, bro. Somebody revive me! Oh my god. Thank you,
We're
Caleb.
spending all of our money, bro. Let me buy a.
I think it's Connor.
Bro.
I bought one thing. I bought a
Yo,
shotgun.
Byron!
We had the most money, and then I upgraded.
what
My,
is
I
ball?
upgraded it for $20.
Bro, who spent all of our 15 grand?
That was
Where's
you!
shoes on?
Yo, it's sneakers are too.
Oh,
I sneakers out too.
You
Dripper.
guys are playing that fish game?
Yo, why are you shooting me?
I didn't, but okay.
Why
Oh
you
man,
bullying it every time?
what are we fucking on with sneakers out too?
$300.
I'll show you why, Caleb.
Oh, you won nothing. You went black.
I'm not taking my sneakers off. 'cause
And
I
you
have
bought it
sneakers
wrong
on
again.
trend.
Do you mind? Do you mind? Fuck you, Connor. Now you got two fish after you. Now my fucking fish is gone and I'm dead. I hope you die. I hope you die.
I got a red snapper. Is this area?
Where's my
clear
fucking
for me to-
shotgun?
Oh, it popped off. Fuck.
Dude, what
There
is
it
this
goes,
fucking-
Caleb. Good going.
What? I didn't do anything.
You did.
Shoot it.
What do you think I'm doing?
It's dead.
Oh, is it dead?
Yeah, it's dead. It's dead. It's dead. Grab it.
I'm not grabbing it. You grab it.
I have
Where even is it?
It's
Yeah.
underwater.
400.
He said he has
I'm
it.
capable with it. Should I gamble with the
I need
$400
food.
bet? Get fucking eagles, man. I want to bet on black. Hey, I did it. I wanted to fish.
I just Indiana Jones your ass.
Fuck you, man. Like $800 for the whole family.
It's gone in a flash.
I watched Noah go to the gun store. The mysteriously $800 happened to disappear.
You wanna know how much it cost for me to upgrade my sniper?
I don't wanna.
3,300.
Oh, I got another tiger fish.
You know what to do. Oh, guys, I got a tuna.
No!
Do you mind?
I just shot it for 280.
No. No! My fucking fish! My goldfish! Fuck you guys. Yeah, this is all you know. I'm not dealing with this
Blow up.
fucking thing.
I'm trying my best.
Yeah, well, hurry up, please.
Oh, there's tiger fish.
Hey, you're the only one really.
Bro!
Yo, somebody buy some dynamite.
I'm fighting like a mini boss. Caleb, res me, please.
I was trying to make sure we got the tiger fish. Oh, I just shot
He
the
doesn't.
siren.
The tiger fish doesn't leave. It just like stays and tries to kill you.
No!
Bro, you gotta stop with those noises.
So fuck. This is a pretty one, probably.
Get off!
Thank you.
Be on that video Overwatch pack, bro.
What are you?
Can we bring the tuna for this guy to fish or like fry or whatever?
No, he wants a shark.
Like, kill this thing?
Oh, he wants a shark.
Yeah.
Dude,
Extra.
Can you shoot it for 280, bro?
I don't know if I can shoot through the window.
Is the shotgun better or the pistol?
Oh, I can.
Fishing.
Let's find a drip tuna.
Oh, what?
Drip, 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 sword.
A drip tuna.
Are we still murdering this tuna?
Yes.
What happened to my ball?
Where
I
is it
bought a
still
beach
on?
ball. Where'd it go?
Oh, let's see. Oh, wait, it's only one fish.
Yeah,
I
where's-
got the walker?
Wait! No, my boy! Oh shit, I forgot
Yo,
there's
how much
this
health does this thing have?
sapling. Excuse me, Noah. Remember that drip mackerel I caught earlier? The seagull, a random seagull just gave it to me.
How much
Wow.
damage do I have to unload into these things?
We're supposed to be professional.
This fucking tuna is haunting me.
There you go.
Thank you, Connor.
That's a lot. No problem. I upgraded my shotgun.
No thank you for me, I see how it is.
Oh yeah, thank you, Caleb.
Thank you, Caleb. No, don't thank
You,
Caleb.
you,
Don't
you
thank
did take
Caleb.
the money for it, so you know. How many thanks do you I caught some.
Yo,
How have
It's
you guys
Tigers are
not
leaving.
fucking? How have you guys not killed the tuna, bro? You guys are bums.
Bro, it's got like 10,000 health.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't have spawned it.
It's like a small chance with a professional lure. It's not like an intentional.
Yeah. Do you think I care?
What are you trying to kill
Bro,
over there?
there's a tiger fish under the water. It's dead. I finally killed it.
Red
Alright, I'm
snapper.
summoning a bee. I'm summoning a shark.
For the guy. Sorry.
Why is the?
I need like better guns or something.
stung by a
because I do
bee?
like no damage.
Nah, I'm just.
I'm gonna gamble with this guy.
What's
Come
in the
on.
gun store? Like, can you get like,
You can like upgrade your shit.
oh, upgrade bullets?
That's how you do more damage. Whoa.
Oh, no one needs to talk about that. Upgrade guns.
He's gone. He leave.
Where'd it go?
It's under the
He ran
water.
away. He ran away.
Oh my God, I
He's
see
on
it.
the- Yeah,
Yo,
that's
he needs to come above. We need to shoot him.
Ow! You took a bite out of me.
Oh, there's a shark.
Michael Jackson.
That's the thing.
Fire for the rest of the game. You should be like,
Whoa.
be like,
Yo, fire out of land, please.
Oh yeah. Hey shark, come on. Come up here.
I got Byron.
Alright, what
Okay,
happened?
Byron.
Bro, it jumped up and it bit me.
This is what playing Tainted Jacob is like. For those who don't play Binding of Isaac.
Hey, where'd my gun go? There's my
Wake
beach
me up.
ball.
Oh, shit.
He just knocked me over. Love my shit.
you better watch out. Don't give these games a try. Gonna not play on these, telling you why. The angry video game nerd.
Yo!
It's so nice.
My fault, Caleb. Bro! Spooky.
Let me do it. Let me sell it. I got a bunch of multipliers.
Yeah, wait.
Hey,
It was
Connor,
like
where'd you
more
go?
money. I respawned myself. I didn't need it. I didn't need to wait. No, my fishing club.
What did he give us?
Yes. He started the
Can
grill.
can we grill fish and increase their value?
Yeah, and it gives them like 1.5x value.
That's Aura. Wait, so why did you need to take it there?
Because
was, like,
I
multiplied.
didn't want Caleb to do it.
Fair enough.
I don't know what I did to you, but okay.
Ow!
Yo, look at this thing. Holy.
Is that a tilapia?
No, it's a halibut.
Ow! Bro, this
Hello,
red
what?
snapper is a beast. Oh my god, it's
Fired
9:58.
that
I gotta go
He's
to.
getting today! What the
Bro,
fuck?
it's 9:58. I gotta go to work tomorrow.
Fire, do you have Phantom Pain from
Get
this
him.
game?
Yeah.
Fish.
Okay,
Yo, I
I'm
got a
gonna
pair
go-
of fish to cook.
I'm gonna go get a lure.
Hey, what happened to my red snapper?
Dude, he
Why would
fucking
you
went
cook
into
your
the
drip
ocean,
halibut?
bro. I tried to shoot him, and they went into the water.
Bro.
Holy
I
shit,
cooked
big
on
boy.
this.
Dude, I
It's
like
parrot
I
fish.
got like a shot on him.
You just
and he
gotta
left.
put it, like, you just gotta pick him up and put him on.
Can you grill yourself for more money?
Like that? Is that working?
What the fuck
don't
is
know.
that? I don't want to
What?
kill him.
It's like black.
I got the halibut.
Are you sure it's not already cooked?
I don't know.
I now have a black parrotfish.
Bro,
That's good.
excuse you, where'd
Sorry,
my
I'm sorry.
halibut go?
There you go. Oh, I think I charred it.
Oh, I can't
Yo,
give
look
it
at my
that.
fish, bro. What-
Oh.
Oh, wait, no, I
Bro,
can.
who turned
Oh,
my
it's
fish
worth
into Micah
35.
Jones, bro?
The value went down so much.
I'm just
Don't
gonna eat it,
cook your
honestly.
fish,
I'm gonna eat my creature. Don't need to sell it because it was worth like 12 bucks.
Yo, there's just a gun in the water.
Someone probably died.
Yeah, whose fault is that?
Oh, I got another one.
No parrotfish.
Yo, you're gonna.
Nice.
Hey, but how? Bro, chill out.
I thought it was alive, sorry.
Okay, is that cooked? That looks
It's-
cooked to me. It's like slightly brown.
1.5x is
Just-
the max.
Just like fall back and then like
wait, I
hold
can
tab
see.
and you'll see
It
what's
says
up.
it. It
Oh.
says if you press F, it'll say a number like 1.5x or something.
I see now. I see.
Cook my red snapper.
Caleb, move.
I'm trying to like sell my stuff, man.
I did it. I cooked them perfectly. I'm gonna
Men?
sell that. I got perfect 1.5 multiplier.
Opa. Oh, I need to. Ooh. Professional bossler. Catches professional mini bosses. Alright, let's
Oh,
do it.
no.
Bro, I gotta.
Hey, it's mini bosses, guys. Relax.
We're buns.
As in your buns. I'm not buns, bro. Don't
And
say
you die, like,
we.
every time we
Don't
spawn something.
don't say
oh, no,
we.
No, 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 no.
Mini bosses, he said. Yes,
It's
you
7
know
on
it.
the thing.
What did you spawn?
You'll never guess.
Is
No,
it a
no,
tuna?
no, no, no.
It's
Wait,
our
it's in,
old
it's in the
friend.
casino. Buy a bunch of dynamite.
Where's it?
So it's just-
Can't let it get out.
You think this will actually work?
hopefully.
Throw it in.
Back up.
It did nothing.
It did nothing.
You gotta get it closer. Gotta get it closer.
Yeah, you gotta get closer. Okay, it did a little bit.
It did
This is gonna work. Buy a
500.
bunch of
It
dynamite.
did 500 damage.
That's a lot of damage.
Do I have to light it and then throw it in? Like, what am I doing?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
I killed Byron in an explosion.
Where'd my shotgun go?
It's down here.
Down
Oh, he
where?
escaped.
No, he escaped.
Oh. Ah, oh my god!
Someone grab me.
Get up!
Yo, I'm too loud, Loki.
Someone grab me.
Help! Help!
Oh my
Help!
god, what just happened?
Wait, he's just gonna perch.
How did I just kill like 4 fish? How did I just kill like
Go
4
eat them,
fish?
go eat them.
Oh, we got down here.
Does anybody?
Okay, this isn't a bad idea though. Like that's a lot of damage.
Yo, be careful, Connor.
Bro,
Have a
this
nice
guy.
meal. Where's my shotgun? It's just gone.
Oh my god! Oh my god.
Just leave me for dead. This
off.
fucking this tuna wants me gone, clearly.
Oh, and everyone's close.
So I'm walking and this guy fucking, I just imagine like a ballistic missile.
Dude. Stupid fish.
Leave off.
Bro, who summoned this thing?
Yeah, so I'm out in the water. Even blue.
Where is it?
Where?
I know. Oh, hey, Byron. Byron, Micah. He's coming from somebody right now. This is awesome.
Oh fuck!
I just
Connor!
saw somebody's body fly across the map.
Holy shit.
Get up, Verity! So much
Bro,
going
where's
on.
my shotgun? I'm taking the boat. Fuck you guys.
Bro, shouldn't you know everything?
You're not taking the boat, Byron. Byron!
Where is my shotgun?
I gotta go look for my shotgun.
It's
I
Bro,
just
Byron,
saw
you
on
can
the
literally buy a shotgun.
Yeah, but mine was the wooden dildo shotgun.
I have no
Look up.
clue.
Whoa, dildo shotgun?
It doesn't
Bro,
keep
that's a
up with it.
fucking seagull.